me de me and you see many nenye ba ma dwen de eye dwuma pa ubisa me very first memory of Argentina se me kai almost bobo under 20 it was Malaysia 97.
I don't know the kai
me 93 ni bi papa mo hwe na meti hu bi
na o hwe bi
de me kai kate ojibo na papa mo ni ase kate no Brazil and adrino so aha ena yeso so ye o se ku form mo bo 93 no banini mu bo August 9 for mo boss under 20 no ya share sa afi no kwa dem say omo share dodo Nigeria oruma share under 17 no and so me kai say omo so oruma share net hashtag papa la ta on papa la ta ni age yeso ya share 93 no so a na Brazil so share final biem na dey some grain ni ya some say na share first go
o share ni abeti abo
na mentia sense I don't know manko na nko share no manye bibia nda ne bon na mai ya me dey no biara ho then Ecuador 95 and so na me ya akra ba no mo so yebo no ahomachi e no mahwe do mo hwa na ma fema nyane omo de ho ye sha na makohwe bi ye Ghana she ni every when they ka do sakamo but in 97 in Malaysia that was when I really saw Argentina like this. Cambiaso was the anchor man and Jose Peckerman ever bench
yeah
and almost the under 20 neighbor the American pa Esteban Cambiaso and now almost short one beer said me nkasa nteni petitia short pa ono shedo mateni if any Diego Quintana
omo dem say ayi tournament be under 20 omo dey short for
it's Quintana no any Cambiaso die me kai omo pa and now Walter Samuel me kai on and see sa team no mo de beje cap no mo share Uruguay in the final but omo share Republic of Ireland no more golden generation and also me kai players na no mo boy NB including Robbie Keane and Damien Duff.
Oh okay,
they were in Malaysia. Now Ghana also kwa na Peter Ofurikwe and a man a denim ho and a boy actually support no Ghana coach Eyoti Akente
on idea calls our tournament
na sa tournament no na Uruguay for share yen semi final no Marcelo Zaleyeta and Oliveira omo share no and so me kaisa omo tuntum kakra Uruguay for no omo share ma ne shem pa me dwa omo nia cause na ni mbo ne ba no ma share now Saturday Uruguay population omo 1.3 million and then Uruguay omo 3.4 million. Uruguay has qualified for under 20 World Cup final. Ye ball Latin America under 20 no me be ye omo ho adwuma wa.
Obe ye omo adwuma.
Fabricio Diaz, De La Cruz. Kweku. All of a sudden.
But that way Rodriguez and Kobe.
Wanko. But our team no mo de bona Anderson Duarte. Excellent player. And now Uruguay ashe 1-0 against Israel. Eyo mafim. Anderson Duarte ni share goal. Uruguay program nipa outro program youth development football no Oscar Tabares
maestro
omo confirm kra coast football any school football any clubs akese no Peñarol Danubio Nacional under 20 obi a wo bibia ibra o she wura mbebia se ma cho bebia Darwin Nunes free no
yes
last under 20 World Cup no Darwin Nunes no omo number 9 Atiga so baby no makofa no ene be masan kra no kwaku Uruguay in the final again bon no cap number gini ni hiomo ni hiomo ne say enkra we no be san prepare as the next generation ebeboa last time they did that well you Fede Valverde you Rodrigo Betancourt
yeah
you Nicolas de la Cruz you Schiapacasimo they were part of that team constantly Uruguay a small population missing the tree where Uruguay also see in the but they still manage to produce this ni reasons of politics enya de papa but for politics nka Ghana and Libya 82
politics
na Liman aligned to the Western powers no more time Gaddafi into na Ghana embo Libya 82 African Cup ni bi
Oh, okay.
Chema Rollins here cool. And no catch so more call. Into Poco free. To catch him say. They know here we just be Rollins the mom.
I don't want to koji.
I know what the koji trophy in the back.
Is that all kinds of na sa near man on Chamaro in some mamma young which man yes again qua. There's a enka.
Yeah, 78. Now. A bit there to Israel. Say Indonesia who still under 20 World Cup we are. Inka Israel are movie. So we kaya ye tournament for Indonesia and same because minister of one of the regions, governor, or no Hesono, because they don't welcome Omaya or occupy Palestine. Into this generation of Israeli players, I want one more tournament to come on, maybe whatever has a beginning has an end. Their wonderful Cinderella story had to end. Uruguay for now in their mom. But the painful truth, and it's a senior politics now, in common siha, born in common booby. Until air good. Uruguay air final. Omono wine ebo Koku again. Ghana edge 2009 FIFA under 20 World Cup no. Yebo 2-2 against Uruguay. Sebastian Coates in the very first one game boy because the group no a boy na Uruguay or 2-2 England or yeah. I think Uzbekistan are now.
Yes.
Fair play. I reference Uruguay for just one reason, but I'm coming back.
SOMPA Sports.
Yeah, Korea bought 2-2 by 3-2. That game was very difficult. Like I say, it was South Africa game rival was one of our most difficult games in the competition. Yes, no, university for Krabi. Now, last edition I bought ya COVID in Zimbo game. Yeah, boy, El Poland, Ukraine, ni Korea, and ball final. Lee Kanye or the some friends say, wasn't he one of the? Who was the best player? No. The next edition of the under 20, Korea ba and come on, Italy and Aqua final. From Korea for national free competition.
Ukraine, Nigeria,
fantastic. Until youth development, a bit more yeni Pafundi. And the year free munra. Pafundi no Italy or a left-footed player. Senye pra any subambone no better than idea. Kweku, that boy is going to the very top. Henry free kick in the MFC because it was just an incredible sublime strike. The night they couldn't be a call for so tambon to 2 muno.
The Jumani de Cofoni, you be paid by you now, but at the end of the day, as in Yamibum. How we more technique in the also
not technically and tongue. They start from very tender ages, 8 years, 6 years, until before Bedu Adona was come on.